Dear students, in this video we are going to see another problem in the chapter royalty accounts. The information is given to you, year and output for 4 years is given, royalty is given 10 per unit, minimum rent is given 12,000, short working recouped during the first 3 years. With this information you are supposed to prepare a royalty table. We have discussed in the last video, we need to draw 8 columns to prepare a royalty table. Just to draw all the 8 columns, the first column is here, the second column is output, the third column is royalty, the fourth column is minimum rent, the fifth column is short working, sixth column is short working recouped, seventh column is short working lapsed, eighth column is amount payable to landlord. Now here is 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024. Output is given 300 unit, 800 unit for second year, 1300 unit for third year, 1500 unit for fourth year. Then come to the third column, royalty. That is column number 3. You will get column number 3 by multiplying royalty per unit with output, that is column number 2. So column number 2 is multiplied by 10 per unit, you will be getting royalty. 300 into 10 become 3000, 800 into 10 become 8000, 1300 into 10 become 13,000, 1500 into 10 15,000. Then minimum rent is given in the question 12,000. So write 12,000 for all the 4 year. The next we need to go with the short working. The difference between royalty and minimum rent is called short working. If the royalty is less than the minimum rent, royalty less than the minimum rent, the difference called as royal short workings. If the royalty more than minimum rent, the difference called as surplus. We use surplus to recover short workings. So first year royalty is less than the minimum rent, the difference is 9,000 is short working. Second year royalty is less than the minimum rent, the difference is 4,000. Third year royalty is more than minimum rent, so it is a surplus. Fourth year also royalty is more than the minimum rent, that is also surplus. In the third year we have a surplus of 1,000, in the fourth year we have a surplus of 3,000. Now come to column number 6, short working recouped. For this you need this adjustment. Short working recouped during the first 3 years. So first year we cannot recover because we incurred a loss. Second year also we cannot recover. Second year also we incurred a loss, that is short working. Third, now see the total loss is 9 plus 4, 13,000. In the third year, how much is the surplus? We have a surplus of 1,000. So 1,000 can be recouped. Remaining 12,000 should be entered in the lapse column, because as per the agreement, short working recouped during the first 3 years. This is the first year, this is the second year, this is the third year. You see, we got a surplus of 3,000 in the fourth year, even though as per this adjustment, you are not eligible to recoup the short working. So the difference should be entered in the lapse column. So fourth year dash in short working recouped column and short working lapsed column. Now come to 8th column, amount payable to landlord. Always we need to compare royalty, minimum rent, highest amount should be taken. From that, if you have any amount in the recouped, that should be deducted. So 3,000, 12,000, highest is 12,000, there is no recouped, so we have to pay 12,000. Next year 8,000, 12,000, 12,000 is the highest amount, there is no recouped, so you can write it here 12,000. Third year 13,000, 12,000, the highest is 13,000 and we have recouped of 1,000. So 13,000 minus 1,000 become 12,000. Then last year 15,000, 12,000, the highest is 15, there is no recouped, so directly you can write 15,000. This is the royalty table. Thank you.